This is the brand new Ledger Nano 5th Gen, which is the first touchscreen-based crypto hardware wallet in Ledger's legendary Nano series of devices. In the box, you'll get the device itself, a Ledger recovery key, a USB Type-C cable, 3 recovery sheets for backing up your seed phrase, as well as some documentation. The Nano 5th Gen comes in at $179 and has an e-ink touchscreen that provides a really smooth experience when unlocking your device, reviewing transaction details, and approving transactions. If you're used to traditional button-based hardware wallets, for example, the Ledger Nano S, the Nano 5th Gen is a huge upgrade in terms of usability. You can use the Nano 5th Gen with a USB-C cable, but the device also fully supports wireless operation as it has both Bluetooth and NFC connectivity. If you want, you can turn wireless connectivity off in the device's settings. The included Ledger Recovery Key is a small NFC-enabled card that you can use to back up your seed phrase and protect it with a PIN. Overall, the Nano 5th Gen does a great job of combining Ledger's state-of-the-art security with a smooth user experience. However, the device's construction isn't as premium as Ledger's more expensive Flex and Stacks models. If you want to learn about the Nano 5th Gen in more detail, make sure to check out our full review linked in the description below.